Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to log out of the YouTube TV app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're logged on to YouTube TV, but you want to go ahead and log out just because you're at an Airbnb. Maybe you're selling your TV, or maybe you're at someone else's house. How do you actually go ahead and log out? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to go ahead and do is go onto your YouTube TV app, then click on your profile icon on the top right-hand corner, scroll down, and then you're going to go ahead and click on sign out. So as you can see here, it says sign out of YouTube TV, click on sign out, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the YouTube TV. So if you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.